Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to do the Water Lilly napkin fold. This napkin fold may look a little bit complicated, but it is very easy to do. So we're going to lay our napkin out in front of us. We're going to take the top right corner and we're going to bring it in toward the center. We're going to take the right bottom corner and we're going to try to get these to match. And then now we're going to take the top left corner and bring it down. We're going to bring in the bottom left corner. Okay. Step 4, we're now going to take these corners and we're going to bring them in. So, okay, now turn your instructions over. Make sure on step 5 that your napkin looks like this. Using 2 hands, we're going to flip your napkin over in step 6. Step 7, we're going to repeat this where we fold it in again. Top right, bottom right, top left, bottom left. Now you can put something on your napkin to hold it here in the middle, but I'm going to use my fingers. In step 8, we're going to reach under here. We're going to grab the edge. We're going to pull it out and give it a tug. And we're going to do that to all 4 corners. Okay. Now you see how it looks. This is how it should look by step 9. Step 10, we're going to reach under here. And we're going to grab the other corner and we're going to bring it out between. And there we have it, the Water Lilly napkin fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.